welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I create this wedding guest makeup look, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. If you are interested in watching how I create this look, then please continue watching. Before starting my makeup, I like to prime my face, and I'm going to use the PLUM oil to prime my face. And this is a really nice oil which allows your skin to be hydrated even after applying the makeup, and it is really nice because it preps your skin really nice before makeup, and it ensures that your skin stays glowing and ensures that you get a flawless makeup base. I'm going to massage the oil onto my skin. For my base today I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix foundation, and I'm on the shade NC35. I'm going to take this much of foundation and start applying it onto my face.
पूरी तुमसे तू मिले जहाँ मेरा जहाँ है वहाँ रौनकें सारी तुमसे
Applying my base, I like to go for concealer, and today I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 20 Sand, and I'm just going to use this under my eyes and to brighten up my areas. And now I'm going to take the same beauty blender to blend the concealer in. To take the excess concealer onto my lid to prep the lid as well. And I also like to highlight my nose bridge for making my features look better with concealer. So for making my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 15 Light, and this is one of my favorite powders to bake my concealer. I'm going to use this fluffy brush from Shein to bake my concealer. This is one of my favorite powders to bake my concealer because it nicely bakes my concealer and it gives a smooth and flawless finish. So I'm just going to bake the concealer with this powder wherever I have applied the concealer. And I'm going to use the remaining powder on the brush to set my face. While my concealer is baking, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the CHAMBOR eyebrow pencil, and this is the shade 02 Dark Brown, and I just love this pencil. So I'm going to just quickly do my eyebrows. I don't overdo my eyebrows. I just fill up the empty spaces on my brows, and that's all.
देखो शादमानी हो गई तेरे शादनादा चढ़या सखियों नी बड़ा सजया हाँ मेरा सजना.
And after filling my eyebrows, I like to brush them with the same brush that comes with the pencil. And that's all for my brows. So now I'm just gonna dust away the excess powder from my face. So let's move to our eye makeup, and for today's eye makeup I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette in Velvet Rose, and this is how the shades look. They are super pretty. So I'm just going to use the pink tones and the gold foil shade to create this wedding guest makeup look. So let's get started. So I'm going to take this matte shade right here, and I'm going to use this sheen brush to pack this shadow onto my crease.
I never ever wanna let you go.
I just love this shade. It's a really pretty mauve color, which is really amazing. So I'm just gonna take some more of this shadow and pack it onto my crease. Just darken this a little bit more because I love dark smoothed out looks, and I'm just using this windshield wiper motion to just blend the shadow onto my inner corner as well. You can see it's looking really nice. Now I'm going to take this golden foil shadow and use my fingers to put this on my inner corners. You can see it's really pretty. So I'm just going to put this with my fingers onto my inner corner. So that's what we are going for. It's looking really pretty. So I'm just going to do the same thing to my other eye and come back. So I've done the same thing to my other eye, and if you can see there's a little bit of fallout. So I'm just going to take that out with this powder brush. So I'm just dusting away the fallout with this huge powder brush. I'm going to take this flat brush and take the mauve shade again and just pack it onto my lower lash line. Try to connect the lower lash line with the upper crease, and that way create a triangle-like shape.
गुड्डा परदेसिया जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई तेरे शादनादा चढ़या सखियों नी बड़ा सजया हाँ मेरा सजना मेरा सजना मेरा
So that's what we're going for, and I just love the way this has turned out. And I'm just gonna now quickly wear some eyeliner and put on my lashes and come back. If you guys want to know all the products that I've been using in this video, I will be linking all the products down in the description box below so that you can click the link and purchase them directly. So I'm done with applying some lashes and some eyeliner, and I just love these lashes. These are the pack tapered lashes in the number 53, and these are very natural looking and nice. That's why I like these lashes. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara to blend my falsies with my natural lashes. And the mascara that I'm gonna use today is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. So I'm just gonna apply this on my lashes.
Baby, every time I think of you, you make me smile. Baby, I'll be your every dream, and you should know. Baby, I never ever wanna let you go.
So before applying mascara to my lower lash line, I'm gonna just use some kajal, and the kajal that I'm using is the PLUM Nature Studio Kajal, which is a really dark and super pigmented kajal. So I'm gonna just use this onto my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna do my kajal midway. I don't like to do it like all the way. I prefer doing it like only halfway. So this is what we are going for. I'm just gonna finish applying the mascara onto my lower lashes. So that's for the eye makeup look. I just love the way this has turned out. And I'm just gonna now finish putting some shadows onto my face. For contouring, I'm gonna use the HOOLA mini bronzer, and this is a really pretty bronzer. So I'm just gonna use the brush that comes with it to contour. I'm also gonna contour a little bit my nose. I don't do a perfect contour, but I just like to add a little bit of shadow to make my nose appear a little bit slimmer. I don't like to contour it much. For blusher, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blusher in this shade 25 pink, and this is my favorite blusher. I just love the way this stays on my cheeks. It looks just really natural, and it gives a very natural pinky look to my cheeks. I'm going to use the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, and this is how this looks. It's really pretty, and I'm going to use this fan brush to highlight. You can see it's just a pretty highlighter, and it adds so much of glow. I'm also going to take a really small brush and take some highlighter and use it on my brow bones.
Baby, I never ever wanna let you go.
And I'm just going to add some highlighter on my inner corners as well. So for lining my lips, I'm going to use the NYKAA Lips Don't Lie Lip Liner in the shade Barbie Doll, and I'm just going to line my lips. That's how I line my lips. So for lipstick, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Babe Alert, and I just love this liquid lipstick so much. And the applicator is also really nice. It helps to apply the lipstick really nicely.
ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुड़ धानी ले गई
So this is all for my makeup. So to fix this makeup, I'm gonna use the Revolution Matte Fix Spray, and this is going to help my makeup to stay longer. And yeah, so I'm gonna just spray this. I'm just gonna wait this to dry. Watching this video, and if you really did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for new videos like these. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.